Hello and welcome to Uncle Matt's Workbench. Today I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself lawn sprinkler or water toy. What you're going to need is I've got this old broken aerial sprinkler. It's been outside for a long time. Doesn't work quite the way it used to. You're going to need a soda bottle. This is a 1 liter plastic bottle. And what you're going to want to do is, if you have one of these toys that doesn't work anymore, you want to remove this part here first. This part that attaches to the hose. You need those threads in there. Now, I'm not going to disassemble this one because this toy isn't broken. There's nothing wrong with this toy, but I've already moved it from the little mermaid one. You see, it's gone from there, and that's what that looks like. And then what I did was I glued it to the cap for a soda bottle. Then I used the biggest drill bit I had closest to this hole to drill through the middle of the soda bottle. Then I used my Dremel to kind of match the size of the hole that's already there. And you're gonna need one of these. There should be one in the toy you're disassembling. If not, you can probably pick one up at the hardware store. That goes right in there. Now, I tried doing this with super glue, but it couldn't take the pressure. It couldn't take the water pressure. It failed, came apart. So I've used a 2-part epoxy for this and let it sit overnight. And I've already tested it, and this one does work. So now the soda bottle, I have poked some holes in it here, and they are just about the size of a I don't have my screwdriver here, but I use a very small screwdriver to poke those holes. I tried a thumbtack, the holes weren't quite big enough, so I had to widen them with the screwdriver. So of course the soda bottle cap screws right onto the bottle. This screws onto the hose. Now you've probably seen in other videos where you simply use duct tape to tape the bottle directly to the hose. And I've done that for my kids, but you end up using a lot of tape. And it's not easy to do, and it ultimately fails because the tape wasn't designed to really patch a hose. Can't really take the pressure for too long unless you use a lot of tape. So that's why I came up with this. Now I'm going to take this outside and give it the ultimate test, and that is to see if the kids actually have fun with it. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready! Yay! Well, it works! Yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh! It works, guys! Look at the rainbow! Rainbow on the ground. Get ready. It's going everywhere. Yay! Everywhere. Yay. Ah, it's cold. It works, but it's cold. Yeah. Yeah. Good night, Ty. Yeah. But look at my hands going up high. Yeah!
Lexi, do you want to sign off?
Now?
Yeah, come on up to the camera and sign off for me. Okay, sign off right there.
Okay guys, that's all we have for today. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you later guys. Bye!